Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change behavior for surround sound buttons on Jabra Elite 7 Active. And to do this you will need to download a Sound Plus app. I've shown you how to pair your device with it previously. Now when it's set, we can click on this gear icon, move on to the headset settings and enter General. Inside you can change the surrounding sounds behavior through 3 different settings: hear through and off, hear through and ANC, which is active noise cancelling, and hear through to ANC, active noise cancelling, and off. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.